come in, sit down, I ask them to pull a chair right up to the desk, so we're going to look at the computer together.
I usually assume I'm going to have to meet with new advisees longer than with others, and I'll show them how to look things up, how to look up their transcripts, kind of how the whole academic part of Blink works.
Every first time that I meet with someone, we put together a 4-year plan, even if they're freshmen, even if they have no idea kind of what's next for them. I really try to put together something that gives them a little bit of an idea of where they might want to go next. If they're thinking about studying abroad, showing them how that could fit in.
I ask specifically about each of the classes they're taking. How do they like it? Are they being challenged by it? What's your greatest challenge? And then, okay, what are you thinking about for now next semester?
If they think they don't have time, for example, to do TCO or to do the choir or to have a job or whatever it might be, we kind of look and see, okay, is it really true that you don't have time to do this? Let's look and see how many credits you really have to take. And often we discover, oh, you do have time for that. Or, we'll say, you're going to have to prioritize. You want to do too much. And I think doing that 4-year plan right at the beginning is really important, and that's something that I would recommend.
I actually like to start by getting the student to talk about other things that aren't class related. It takes a little bit of time, and that's why particularly with new advisees, I try to have them come in for a meeting prior to registration, just so I have more time to do that.
When I make a 4-year plan, I also start with their senior year, because often those classes are a little bit more set in stone. We only offer senior SEM or student teaching one semester out of the year. So in my case, I start with student teaching, and then we work backwards from, okay, if you're going to student teach here, then you have to take this course, this course, this course, this course. So I find starting with the senior year is a little bit easier in terms of figuring out then how the other things need to play out.
I want to get to know more about the student. I want to know a little bit more about who they are, what they're interested in, what they think they might like to do career-wise, what experiences they've had.
Pencil and paper really is my friend. I end up doing a lot of sketching. We do a lot of arrow drawing. We do that kind of thing. I keep a folder for each advisee. And because I don't have electronic copies of what we end up sketching out, then as we leave my office, we go and make a Xerox copy. So the student has a copy of their schedule, and I have a copy in their folder. Between the two of us, we try to hang on to that.
I also want them to be able to feel comfortable with me, so that they see me as another resource or person, a support person at Bethel to come and talk to about any number of things.